Itong ENC 623 CQB. Shoutout kay Sir Stephen. So full metal unit with markings. May markings yan ha. May markings to. May markings din to. So ito yung kabilang side. Naka-suppressor na siya 4 inches. And then 4 inches din yung handguard. May front and rear sights. So out of the box may kasama na siyang LiPo, battery at saka charger. Naka butterfly swivel na rin kay AC grip. And then naka-ring stock version 1. So yung mga parts niya, itong mga to, selector, trigger guard, bolt, magazine release or magazine catch is metal na rin. So charging handle is metal. And then naka rotary type chamber. Yung internals niya is reinforced na rin. Price is 12,500. Again, shoutout kay Sir Stephen. Sige, test natin. Magazine pala is 300 rounds. Metal magazine, high top. Corona check natin guys. So medyo busy tayo ngayon sa store. Yan, sige. Tahimik yan ah. Sige, babad mo. Isa pa, babad mo. Yan. So FPS out of the box is around 330 to 350. Okay, so check na lang guys sa Google Drive natin. Page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.